What's good guys, my name is Mike Quill, m.visuals on Instagram, and today I'm going to be showing you how to take photos at different focal lengths and how that can improve your photography and storytelling. All three of these photos were taken on the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. The Samsung S20 Ultra has 4 cameras built in and gives you a huge amount of versatility in one small package. We're going to be testing out the ultra wide angle, the wide angle, and the telephoto. From standing in one place, using 3 different focal lengths, you can capture very different images. Make sure you also check out the Samsung KX Home of Innovation page, where there is a load of incredible skill sharing content available for you to learn. Let's head to London and see what we can capture. So we've made it to the location. We're going to be testing out the Samsung S20 Ultra ultra wide angle lens, the wide angle and the telephoto. Let's get it. So there's 2 different shots we're going to be getting from the same location. One is a look up and the other is using leading lines towards Tower Bridge of London. Looking up. When you open your camera, tap on the left-hand icon where the 3 trees are. This will change the focal length of the ultra wide angle lens. See how much you can fit in? Next, I tapped on the middle 2 trees to set up the wide angle lens. And lastly, the right-hand side where the single tree is to use a telephoto lens. Wait till you see the results. Using different focal lengths, we can dramatically change the story we can tell from this one location. Again, starting off with the ultra wide angle lens, this gives us a sense of scale. Tap the middle 2 tree icon again to bring up the wide angle lens. This draws us closer to the bridge, but also gives us a nice wide viewpoint. Finally, tapping on the right hand side with a single tree, this takes us into the telephoto lens again. The detail I could capture was amazing, and it changed the framing from using leading lines to now just Tower Bridge. Here are the final images, all taken in the same spot in London. Big up for watching guys. Remember to tag @Samsung UK and hashtag Samsung KX in all your shots. I look forward to seeing your content. Peace.